Hi everyone, I thought I would do a really quick video, hopefully quick, video about blog post and Gutenberg. Gutenberg is coming in very soon and it's going to replace the back end of your website on WordPress. So same as before, or if you've never used it, you would be in your dashboard, so you'd log into WordPress, go into your dashboard, and this would be the dashboard you'd see if you work with me. So my ugly face, I'm afraid. Google Analytics dashboard. So I've not authorized my plugin yet. I've not put my codes in or anything. So there's no traffic, and my RSS feed, and then a link back to my website if you need it. And this would be your logo. And there'd probably be a bit of a message here for you. But you'd go into posts, add new. So that's the same as before. And then this is the new layout. If you've never used WordPress before, it's no different to you, but this video will help you just to write a blog out. So it's all about blocks now. So let's just close that. I use Elementor for everything because it makes it really simple and it's live. So it looks the same as it would when you preview it or publish it. But for now, let's just go here. So you type in your title. Hope I'm spelling Gutenberg right. And then you can write your story, or all the pluses will add a block. So this is to add a new title. So you've got your H1s, H2s, an image and gallery. Oh, that's cover image. Changes every time you go in. Okay, so let's add a cover image. So you can go into your library, and I really like that one. So I've not done my alt tags, but that's a different one, different post. So let's have our title. Gutenberg editor. Okay, so that's good. And then if the plus doesn't appear down here, which it has this time, you can use it up here. So add a block. So paragraph, heading, cover image, list, gallery, image, quote, audio, file. You'll have video in here somewhere. There's loads of different elements, but for now we're going to do a paragraph. So here's a short, I can't spell, short video on Gutenberg. Hope it helps. And then always preview everything you do. Gutenberg editor, here's a short video, hope it helps. There's loads of arguments about how long your blog should be. I think 300 to 500 words is brilliant, but from an SEO point of view, there's a lot of talk about 15,000 words, which sounds really scary. So you're not going to be doing one of those every week, not if you've actually got work to do. But everything that you need is also in this right-hand corner. So your document, you can have it set to visibility, public, private, password protected, anything. Your format, so it can be a gallery, a link, a quote, video, audio, anything that you want. I'm just going to stick to standard. And then try and add your categories and your tags, because it will help for SEO. So we're just going to use Gutenberg, and then Gutenberg again, WordPress. And what else could we do? Design. Like 2 or 3 is usually perfect. And always add your featured image. I'm just going to use the same one. Just because this image is what will pop up when if you type in a link into Facebook or anything like that, that's the thumbnail that pops up. So it can be your logo, it can be anything. So yeah, that's saved. Probably could write a bit more, but I don't know what to write. Gutenberg is coming into WordPress very soon. It's actually quite exciting, but you've got an undo and a redo information. And like I said, always preview before you publish. So there's your preview. That's quite good. You can turn comments off if you want. I usually do. And then you just hit publish. So this is quite good. Are you really ready to publish? So double check your settings and then use the publish post. So again, there's your options: public, private, password protected, and you can even schedule your publish date. So if you wanted to set it to Thursday or Friday, and your time, and then you can just hit schedule. So I'm not going to publish it because there's nothing on it, but I hope it helps you to be ready for Gutenberg, and hopefully I've spelt it right, but we'll see. Thanks very much.